Java is a general-purpose, multi-paradigm programming language. Java software nowadays runs on everything from laptops to data centers, game consoles to scientific supercomputers. It was first initiated in June 1991 by James Gosling, Mike Sheridan, and Patrick Norton. The language was initially called Oak, then Green, and finally it was renamed to Java. The first public implementation of Java was released in 1996 by Sun Microsystems. Later, Sun Microsystems was acquired by Oracle Corporation in 2009 to 2010. Java is so popular because of its advantages over other languages. It's easy to learn, write, compile, and debug in Java compared to other languages. Syntax of Java is also derived from C and C++, so maybe you are already familiar with it. Java is object-oriented, so it has all the features of object-oriented programming like modularity, code reusability. Also, the code is easy to maintain, modify, and debug. The program structure is very straightforward. Java follows the principle compile once and run anywhere, which makes Java applications platform independent. So the same application will work on Windows, macOS, and Linux. This will reduce the overall development time. Multi-threading in Java allows many operations to occur concurrently and saves a lot of time. Also, the threads are independent, so if an error occurs in one operation, it will not affect the other operations. For simplicity, platform independency, and reliability of Java, it is used almost everywhere. Some common areas are listed below. Using Java, you can easily create desktop applications with a graphical user interface. One of the best features Java desktop applications can have is the same application will not only run on Windows but also in other platforms like macOS, Linux, etc. That means you do not need to rewrite your application for each platform you want to support. Just create your application only a single time, compile it, package your application, and you are ready for distribution. Your application will run on any platform which has the JRE installed. JRE is the Java Runtime Environment. It is required to run any Java program. Most of the users will already have JRE installed as Java is very popular and they might be already using some Java application. If not, you can always ask your user to install JRE first. Android dominates the global smartphone market, and Java is one of the official language as well as the most used language for Android app development. Though nowadays Android app developers prefer Kotlin over Java as it is better in many aspects, but Java is still an essential language for Android app development companies and many developers. Java is also a popular language for backend web development. There are a ton of technologies available for Java developers which helps them create any sort of static or dynamic websites. Most of them are open source. Java is not only used for application development but also it is used to develop embedded systems, banking systems, trading systems, big data technologies, etc. In the next video, I will show you which SDK tools you should download and how to quickly start writing codes in Java.